Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to clean the power steering fluid on a Mercedes-Benz, and actually you can do this on any car. This happens to be a W203 Mercedes. You'll need some spare power steering fluid. I use the dealer, the manufacturer specific one. It is very expensive, but that's the one I use for this car. You'll need a sucker of some sort. What I'm going to do is I'm going to compress here, and it's going to create a vacuum, and it's going to suck out the oil. Now note, this oil measurement has two levels, one for 20, let's see what's it, 20 degrees, and one for 80. So once we've done this clean out, we'll have to calibrate the oil at two different measurements. One in the morning when the car hasn't been started on a summer's day, or depends where you live, but basically ambient temperature 20, and one about 5 to 10 minutes after you've stopped from a journey that got the car to maximum operating temperature, and that's at 80 degrees. So that's how we do it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the pipe in there, and I'm going to suck out the power steering fluid. But what I also need to do is have somebody turn the wheel in order to get when I put the new oil, in order to get the new oil to move through the system. Turn. See, so what I'm doing now is I've got somebody sitting in the car, and they're going to turn the wheels all the way, and then they're going to turn it all the other way. Turn, boy. All the way. Right, while I take oil out and then put oil back in. Turn. All the way. Other way. Turn. Turn. Other way. What this is doing is it's putting the new oil through the system. Turn the other way. Now I'm going to pump out the old oil. There comes the old oil. There's all the old oil. We don't want to let it get too empty. Turn, boy, turn. Back, turn back. Back. When it hits the end, you must change direction. Stop. Okay, turn. Other way. 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 Okay, stop. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the oil. I can see that there's not enough in there. I'm just going to put a bit more in. It's not fully hot yet, so I'm just going to put enough. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, turn a few times. Other way. Other way. Other way. That's it. Good. Good, boy.
What was it like when I was turning?
The wheels turn.
Round and round.
Yeah, well, they go one side and then they go the other side. I'm just talking to the camera. Right, so now that I've effectively diluted the dirty power steering fluid, I'm just going to measure it, how much it's at the moment. Okay, it's between the min and max, and that's fine for now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it to the operating temperature I'll take it for a drive until the engine is fully warm, so that'll be at least a 10-minute drive, and then I will measure this. I can measure it using a infrared temperature probe, or if it's at maximum temperature, meaning the fan belt has come on and you've driven long enough for the fan to start operating. If we just have a look at the oil, you can see how dirty this power steering fluid was. Then what you could do is, in another 10,000 Ks, do it again, and by gradually flushing the dirty, mixing the clean with the dirty, this is the easiest way to flush power steering, other than draining the whole system, which is a very long job. Alright, just to demonstrate what you'd need to do once you want to make sure the level is correct. If you have one of these, great. If you don't, it's not the end of the world. This is a infrared temperature measurement, and what happens is I'll just shine it in there and I'll see that the temperature, it says 37 degrees. Then that allows me to know the temperature to which I will be measuring. For example, this thing says 20 degrees, there's the minimum, there's the maximum. Then if it's at 80 degrees, there's the maximum, there's the minimum. So you'll need to do this twice. One, when the ambient temperature is 20 degrees, or depends where you live, as I stated, and two is after the car has been driven quite extensively, a long trip, but not immediately after, about 8 to 10 minutes after the car has been parked. Because if you've driven for a long time and you do the infrared, you'll actually find it's closer to 90 degrees, and therefore it should actually be very close to the maximum position here. So again, if you don't have this, then do what I say. Long drive, wait 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes once the car has been sitting. Make sure the level that you're measuring it on the floor is perfectly horizontal, garage floor, something like that, and then you should have you should top up to there in the middle of that. And if then again in the morning, check that it's at the 20 mark. If you've done that, then you are fully done for this service. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.